You're watching News Now from Fox. We do want to bring you a bit of breaking news right now. The FDA has officially cleared emergency use for the Moderna vaccine. You can see this tweet coming from the FDA just moments ago saying, today FDA issued an emergency use authorization, UA, you've heard that acronym throughout the week, for the second vaccine for the prevention of COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2. The emergency use authorization allows the vaccine to be distributed in the U.S. for use in individuals 18 years and older. We've been waiting for this breaking news for the past couple hours or so. Just had a live report with Robert Sherman in Atlanta, Georgia, as he was following today's vaccine news. We also saw a little bit of an update from the president himself saying, congratulations, the Moderna vaccine is now available. Distribution should be taking place over the weekend, and it's interesting because the Pfizer vaccine was also cleared on a Friday. So they like to get it in before the weekend so that they can really amp up distribution into the next week. There are a few differences between the Moderna vaccine and the Pfizer vaccine. We're just talking about this off camera for a moment there. The distribution method for Moderna looks a little bit different than Pfizer. There's some key differences. Most importantly, though, Moderna's vaccine can be stored in normal freezers and doesn't require a super cold transportation network, making it more accessible for smaller facilities and local communities. So this will be really big for widespread distribution. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, is planning to, they were planning to grant emergency use authorization. And just in the past few minutes, if you're just tuning in right now, Stephen Hahn, the commissioner of the FDA, and Dr. Peter Marks, the director of the FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, they did go ahead and clear it. So, yeah. The recommendation came down on Thursday from the FDA panel, which is a panel just made up of experts across the country, and the final decision was made this afternoon. It's about 5:50 here in Phoenix, Arizona, and the second COVID-19 vaccine has been cleared for distribution. So we will continue to follow this story here on News Now from Fox. Let's switch up gears a little bit now, though. Some other things have been happening, and you may have heard this story in the past, talking about this cybersecurity hack. Russia's suspected hack on the U.S. is a little worse than we first thought. The Fox 13 Tampa team takes a look at why security officials are so concerned about this specific hack. We'll play out this story from Fox 13, and then we have another conversation that dives a little bit deeper into this story this week.
It's far more extensive than experts thought, and they really don't know how much control those hackers, believed to be the Russian military, still have. Are they still in there messing around? Our political editor Craig Patrick's here with a closer look at the fallout and what the potential response could be. This does not sound good, Craig.
No, it doesn't. And in fact, we have all reason to believe that the Russians are, in fact, still in there, as it were, with access to some systems within our government. They're working to correct that. But federal lawmakers are getting briefed by U.S. intelligence